Brinley, do you want to give the kitty some Meowijuana? Yeah. Do you want to give the kitty some Meowijuana? So the moggies. Charlie, Daddy. You better not try to give Charlie some Meowijuana, Daddy. Come on, Charlie, it's just like getting vitamins. You gotta take your vitamins. Brinley is a cat, too. Oh, well, Charlie. Yeah, you're caught doing the dope. Charlie doesn't know what you're talking about. Charlie. You're gonna disappoint all your fans, Charlie. We thought you were straight edge. You wanna play with some aluminium, Charlie? Charlie does. Charlie loves aluminium. He's gonna sniff it. Brinley. Brinley. Do you want to play with some aluminium, Brinley? Yes, she does. Oh, suddenly Charlie doesn't want to play.